journey began when my family decided this would be the perfect place for me to learn and grow. Mummy knew right away that I would be happy here. My name is Arabella, and I've been coming to this nursery since I was 6 months old. With the help of my paper dolls, I'd like to tell you my story. This is me and my friends Alex and Lucas. We have so much fun together. Alfie loves feeding the chickens, George loves playing with Play-Doh, and I love to build houses for my paper dolls to play in. Every day we dance, we jump, and we play. We splish, splash, and get muddy. It's more than just a nursery. It's where I get to learn, play, and make special memories with the people who care about me. We are more than friends. We're family. As I go on with my life, I'll never forget my time here because every child deserves a place to grow, learn, and be loved.